Want to know how to split terminals in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created a video on how to install and log into it, so make sure to watch that. So once you've done all of that, and once you're under this interface, you have to be under a text file or any project that you have opened. So now in order to split a terminal, it's super simple. So on the top you should be seeing various navigation bars right here, and right beside it run you should be seeing these three dots, just simply like that. And here you should be seeing terminal, so simply hover on it, and here you should be seeing split terminal right here. You can either select that or just select Ctrl Shift 5. So it should show terminal just like this right here, where your terminal has been split into three parts. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.